In this video, I'll show you how to use Replit Deployments. First, sign in to your Replit account and open the project you want to publish. Before deploying, make sure your application is running correctly and all of your latest changes have been saved. Next, click the Deploy button near the top of the Replit workspace. Replit will analyze your project and display the available deployment options for your application. After that, review the deployment settings, including your app name, deployment configuration, and any required environment variables. If everything looks correct, click Deploy to begin the deployment process. Now, wait while Replit builds and publishes your application. Once the deployment is complete, Replit will provide a live URL that you can use to access and share your app online. Finally, open the live URL to verify that your application is working correctly. Whenever you make updates to your project, simply return to Replit and deploy the latest version to keep your live app up to date. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Replit deployments. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.